Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in front of George's Arcade, and I'm going to take a second and walk through it. It's like a big market type square area, and I'll show you the whole thing. Here we go. Bye-bye. Okay, George's Arcade. And it looks like they have just tons of stuff. Even records and CDs. It's pretty amazing. It's a neat building. George's Arcade. Oh, and it looks like it goes into a bank of restaurants and stuff too. Well, it doesn't look like it's too much, but it's like a shopping district or something. More stuff out here. We're just making a loop. Pretty busy. You're welcome. Old books, it looks like. Huh. Looks like they're just opening up. What time is it? 11:30? How you doing? Okay, everybody. Well, it's just a cute little shopping mall, outdoor thingamager that's covered but open, but you know how those things go. George's Arcade. Bye, everybody.